Alright, we just climbed 1,880 feet. It was about 1.25 miles, I think it was. Linear distance traveled would have been a little over 6 miles. Cloud banks coming in over the top, so we're going to turn around and head back down. Yeah, I brought Keegan and Drover. There's our view from the top. Across the valley, across the channel. Ready, boys? Ready, guys? Come on, let's head down. You can walk with us for a minute. I always have to turn around, I lose Drover. There it is. And back down the mountain we go. We'll see you at the bottom.